Over the last few decades, hundreds of human pathogens have emerged at a rate unprecedented in human history. You say, wait a second, emerged from where? I did most of my postgraduate medical work with AIDS patients, and I remember thinking to myself, when I was growing up, there was no such thing as HIV/AIDS. From where do emerging diseases emerge? Mostly from animals, the original source of nearly all major human infectious diseases. Humanity's biblical dominion over the fish of the sea and over the birds of the heaven and every little living thing has unleashed a veritable Pandora's ark full of humankind's greatest killers. Tuberculosis has thought to have been acquired through the domestication of goats last century, killed 100 million people. What started out in goats went on to infect 1/3 of humanity. Measles is thought to have come from domesticated sheep and goats, a mutant of the rinderpest virus. Smallpox has been a result of camel domestication. We domesticated pigs and got whooping cough, domesticated chickens and got typhoid fever, and domesticated ducks and got influenza. Leprosy came from water buffalo, the cold virus from cattle or horses. How often did wild horses have the opportunity to sneeze into humanity's collective face until they were broken and bridled? Right? Until then, the common cold was presumably only common to them. But wait, animals were domesticated thousands of years ago. Why all these new diseases now over the last half century? Well, we're changing the way animals live on a global scale. The AIDS virus is blamed on the bushmeat trade in Africa, the butchering of chimpanzees. SARS and COVID-19 been traced back to the exotic wild animal trade, these live animal wet markets in Asia. Mad cow disease is because we turned natural herbivores like cows and sheep into carnivores and cannibals by feeding them slaughterhouse waste, blood, and manure. Over our last pandemic, swine flu in 2009 arose not from some backwater wet market in Asia, but was largely made in the USA on industrial pig operations in the United States.